Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I get my golf cart out of storage, get it ready for the summer, and I'll show you how quickly get it started, the easiest way. And the first thing you do is charge your battery. So you charge your battery, and then I'm going to install it on my golf cart. Okay, install the battery. This is a 10 millimeter nut. I bought this at the local parts store. I'm gonna clean this, and then I'll turn around and I'll clean the battery post, and then I'll install the positive and the negative cable. All right, I got them all hooked up. Positive here, negative there. Next thing you do is put your golf cart in neutral. Just put the forward and reverse lever in the middle, and then move it back and forth. Make sure your rear end don't spin. And there you go. It's in neutral. Pop your filter cover, tab on it, and you're gonna pour a little bit of gas right in there. And just a little tiny bit, not much. And that should cover back on. Put the key on, it's in neutral, and put the choke on, put the gas. Let's just start. All right, so started right up. It was pretty good. Way faster. Put a little gas in there. The motor starts up like that. It's easier on your battery and starter and everything like that. And don't forget to put it in neutral. Okay, if you like this video, press thumbs up. Hopefully, I'll have a couple more videos for you guys this summer. And if you can subscribe to my channel, that'd be great. Okay, thanks for watching.